Okay, guys, as you can see, the analysis have been made here. I just want to rush you through what has been done already. Um, we are in our entry time frame, which is a 15-minute time frame. I will go back to the 4 hours time frame, as you can see on the screen. I'm going to the no, firstly to the daytime frame. I'm just rushing you through what has been done already. This is what you do actually when you are planning to take a trade, considering your strategy, your proper risk management, and everything put in place or together to uh, take an entry. This is what you go through. You start from the daily time frame. Actually, the reason you are starting from the daily time frame is so that you have an idea of what the market look like, an idea of what the market is actually doing. That is why we are beginning from the daily time frame. And as you will see here, gold is trending high. Gold is on a is in an uptrend, as you will see here. This is the daily time frame, guys. Gold is trending upward, as you can see. I don't want to touch anything because actually it will be very visible on the daily time frame. You will see that from here it was actually mitigating or consolidating until this point where it peaked to give us this bullish movement. Now, knowing that it is in an upward trend, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. From the daily time frame, I will directly go to the 4 hours time frame, and you will notice the upward trend here. You will see this break of structures. This break of structures. Well, I usually love to take it from the two, the last two high and lows created. So if we were to take into consideration what I just said, we will take it from here. It went up, came down, creating higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Now uh, it's in a sort of consolidation. It's not visible because actually I have I have gone ahead to do everything to I've gone ahead to place my trade already. I just want you to watch what it is doing right now. See, gold is in an uptrend. Even in the 4 hours time frame, it is visible. It went up, came down. Now it has gone up. We are waiting for it to come down to create a new low and a higher height, or break this level towards the downside, just like I analyzed on the lower time frame. But let's move, guys. You'll see what I am talking about. Okay, from there we'll go to the 2 hours time frame. From the 2 hours time frame, you can visibly see what I was talking about. Okay, I would not like to go too back so that we are actually uh, trending. We are actually moving with the live chart. Okay, as you can watch here, the the latest high created by gold is actually this. It's actually, well, I don't want to point out this because this is from the 2 hours time frame. Uh, on a lower time frame, you see that this is a break of structure, but from here, this is not a break of structure. If I was to take a trade from the 2 hours time frame, I will not consider this a break of structure because actually this is a sweep of liquidity. Yeah, this is not a break of structure. For this to be a break of structure, this tiny thread here should be a full candle. Yes, not this, not this. This is what I am talking about. We call this a break of structure because the candle that break, um, the candle that caused the impulsive movement above this previous height closed in full body. I mean, started and closed in full body. It is not just this tiny thread here. So this is what I am trying to explain here. Here, this is not a break of structure because we are in a high time frame. But from the lower time frame, you will see that it will actually be a break of structure. So if we were to take an entry here, we are not swing traders. We are not. We are day traders. So we take from a lower time frame, in order to maximize profit in a day per day. So um, even from the 2 hours time frame, you can see here that the market is still to decide whether to break this previous support level towards the downside or to create a new low and continue upward. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. From the 1 hour time frame, okay. Here we have the 1 hour time frame. You will see that the break of structure I was talking about now is clear, is visible. Remember I said I'm just walking you through what I have already done. This has been, this is a chart I have analyzed already. So I'm just walking you through what I did. And when you are analyzing trade, don't go too back. Focus on the previous higher height, on the two previous, on the two, yeah, previous higher height and lows. That is why you see I am focusing with what we have on the chart here. Here, I will not go back. No, that will be another thing altogether. So, looking at this chart here, you will see that the market created this break of structure here. We are in the 1 hour time frame. The market created this break of structure here. Let me just add it. The market created this break of structure here. Yeah, the market created this break of structure. What is the origin that created this break of structure? It is this. You see that it actually retested, but unfortunately for somebody that uh, maintain proper risk management, whoa, the market would have knocked that person out if the person took a trade considering this other block. And it is explainable. It is actually explained. Why? Because you see there is no fair value gap here. The fair value gap here is not a good one. It's not a good one. This sweep of liquidity from the 1 hour time frame push out everybody that would have entered a trade from this level. Now, and you actually see that there is a sort of, though it's not clear, it's not actually clear, there is a sort of sign that the market might change direction from this level as well. I would have placed another, I would have considered this a change of character, this a change of character. I have considered this a change of character, a change of character actually, a change of character. This is from the 1 hour time frame. Here it is visible that the market is planning to change direction. It's not actually very clear. The market might still retest here and go up because it actually, there is this liquidity sweep here that is not, if the market would have break upward, would have considered, so this is not actually clear. This one is not clear. We'll wait to see what the market will do from this downward movement that it is doing now. It is maintaining now. So we'll just remove this one now from the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 45-minute time frame. Actually, this is what you do when you are analyzing the market before you take trade, so that you don't trade against the market. When I say you don't trade against the market, you don't you don't take sells instead of buys when the market is trading upward. So from the 45-minute time frame, you actually see that this is our previous low when the market was trending upward, creating break of structure towards the upside. But from here, you will notice a massive sell that pushed the market below this support level, this particular support level, causing a change of character. Actually, this should be here. It is now clear. This is a clear change of character. Okay, from here, we are waiting now that the market should create another high, just like it did here. You see, this is a break of structure towards the downside. I don't know, we'll call it an internal break of structure, something like that. This is a break of structure towards the downside. Break of structure towards the downside. Okay, what is the origin that caused this break of structure? It is this. But you'll notice that the market came and cleared this particular level. It pushed out all that entered trade at this level. Now, let's see whether it will retest this level moving upwards, or it will continue moving towards the downside. But our expectation from here is that the market creates a lower low, higher high, lower low towards the downside. It means that instead of the uptrend that well, from the higher time frame we have an uptrend, but looking at things from here, the market is reversing actually. It's reversing actually. So there is high probability that the sellers in this market cause will cause this support level, this previous support level, will break this previous support level and retest another one towards the downside. So just like you are seeing here, I've demonstrated using this arrow. The probability is that once the chart gets to this level, it breaks this support level towards the downside, creating newer higher heights and lows towards the downside. And as it is moving, we'll be identifying them and taking our trades. Thank you. So this is what we have. I took, as you can see, I've actually planned an entry here. If market should get to this order block, which will be visible from the 15-minute time frame, which is our entry time frame actually. I take my trade from the 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame, as you can see here, it is more visible. It is more visible from the 15-minute time frame. I will minimize the chart so that you can visualize clearly what I am talking about. Okay, as you can see, break of structure towards the upside, and then it will get to this resistant level, and then this change of character towards the downside. Then it begins to create a new structure towards the downside, breaking structure, as you can see here. This break of structure, what is the origin that caused a break of structure? This particular candle, and that is our order block. The FVG is clear. Now we are waiting for this market to retest this level so that we can take our trade, which is a sell or a short, and this is where we'll be expecting to kick out. Here actually I'll have TP1 and TP2. Why? Because of this previous height support pattern, this previous support level. I'll be expecting to, if it should retest this level, then I'll take my first profit here and the second one at this level. Thank you guys. So this is actually what I've analyzed this evening. Let's watch to see how it plays out.